On this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom snapcode. Hey, what's going on everyone? Carlos here, also known as the Carlos Gil on Snapchat. So over the last couple of days, Snapchat recently rolled out an all new update which allows you to create your own custom snapcode that can point to a website, another Snapchat account, anything that has a website address, you can go ahead and point to it. And when someone scans that snapcode, they'll be taken to that website, that user account. Again, anything that you program your snapcode to connect to, you can go ahead and drive people to. Now, I know what you're already thinking. This sounds like it's QR codes version 2.0, 2017's version of a QR code. And I thought exactly the same thing until I started thinking of all the possibilities that you can use snapcodes, which are historically for adding people on Snapchat. And it was actually a couple of years ago in which my family and I were at Universal Studios in Hollywood, California, in which for the first time I saw a snapcode on a movie poster. And when I went ahead and scanned that snapcode, it didn't take me to add that Snapchat account like it normally would with anyone else's account. In fact, it took me to go ahead and see a short video specifically for that movie, which I thought at the time was pretty fascinating, and it really started opening up my mind into where the future of snapcodes would go. If you recall, again, with QR codes back in the day, about 10 years ago, you would see QR codes pop up on business cards, menus at restaurants, you would see them pop up all over the place as a way for you to scan that QR code to then take you to see some sort of experience somewhere on the web. So I think snapcodes will be used in a very similar fashion, but what's really cool about it from a business and a marketing standpoint is as a company or as a business, you don't necessarily need to have a presence on Snapchat, meaning you don't need to be creating content to now have a presence within Snapchat and their ecosystem. And what I mean by that is if you're a local small business, let's say you're a restaurant, you can now have a custom snap code on your menu and you can have a call to action saying scan us for, or snap us, sorry, for a coupon. If you are, let's say, a large enterprise business, you can go ahead and have your custom snap code on flyers, on posters. You can have them at your place of business if you're a big retail brand, like let's say Finish Line or Champ Sports, and you can have exclusive experiences if someone goes ahead and scans your snap code. You can have that snap code point to your loyalty program. You can have that snap code point to a microsite. You can have that snap code point to a mobile app that's designed specifically for the Snapchat user in mind. So there's a lot of ways that you can go ahead and incorporate a custom snap code into your business without necessarily having a presence on Snapchat in which you have to create micro content every day, multiple times throughout the day, just to keep people coming back. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and I'm gonna switch over and show you my phone so you yourself can see how easy it is to go ahead and create a snap code. And when I say easy, guys, it takes no more than 30 seconds to create a snap code. So once you see it, I also want to show you how you can go ahead and share that snap code out to your social networks. All right, guys, right now you are looking at my home screen on Snapchat. So to go ahead and create your own custom snap code, the first thing that you are going to do is click on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner, which takes you to your settings. From here, you're gonna go ahead and click on snapcodes, and you're gonna have two options. The first is create a snapcode, which takes you to the process of creating your own custom snapcode. And then you can click on my snapcodes, which will go ahead and show you snapcodes that you've previously created. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm gonna click on create snapcode. And I'm gonna go ahead and create a snap code that links directly to my website, which is carlosgil.biz. Once you type in the website address, then you click on create. And from here, you can either add an image to your snap code or you can save the snap code directly to your camera roll. So you see here, I have several images in my camera roll. I'm gonna select this one here and crop it, hit save, and there you go. This is my custom snap code that links to my website, carlosgil.biz, and anyone who scans this snap code within Snapchat will be redirected to go to my website. So from here, I'm gonna save this to my camera roll. And by clicking on the icon in the upper right-hand corner, you can now share your snap code out to Twitter and you can share it to Facebook. So if you want to share your snap code over to Twitter, you can go ahead and type up a tweet. You see here, I tweeted testing out the all new custom Snapcode feature by Snapchat. Once again, it has my custom snap code that links to my website. And then I also tested this out over on Facebook. So I would encourage you, whether you are creating a custom snap code that's linking to your own personal brand website or to your company website, or if you're an enterprise brand and you have a sweepstakes or some sort of experience that you want to send users to, go ahead and play around with this. And what's really cool about custom snap codes, I'm going to go back a screen, is that once you create the snap code, you can always click on the edit button and you can change the website address. So once again, if you have a sweepstakes or some sort of a contest and it's for a limited time only, you can still keep that snap code once the sweepstakes or contest expires, and you can simply change where the snap code is gonna go ahead and direct users to. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching another tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And more importantly, be sure to add me on Snapchat at the Carlos Gil for more social media and Snapchat tips and tricks throughout 2017. Until next time, guys, peace.